thank you for the 2 nights.
For the 2 nights, very good.
I stayed in your lovely home.
Very good, your lovely home. Very nice. Careful.
It is good to see you.
No, something wrong. Something wrong. Think. You are very close to the answer, but it is something wrong. Think through that.
It will good to see you again.
No, it will good. There is no English. See, I am writing to say thank you for the tour. I stayed in your lovely home.
It were good to see you again.
There is no, I have to read you can't have that. You are very close again. You are very close to the answer. Try that. Can you do it? You are very close.
It may good to see you
know,
again.
it is not or it is not where. Good. You know it. After it, where will not come. What will come?
It was good to
Boss,
see.
very good, very good. That's what I meant. Superb. Go with it. Keep going.
Here are the photographers.
Superb. Here are the photographs. Keep going.
And your children.
No. Here are the photographs. Dash your children. Think you will get it. Think you will get it. I will not tell you. You are going to come out with this. Here are the photographs. Dash your children. Cut it off there. You are going to be there.
Here are the photographers.
Yeah, what is your answer? Can you tell me?
No, sir. I'm reading it, sir.
Yeah. Try it out.
Here are the photographers. Of your children.
Very nice. Of your children. Very nice.
Of your children that you asked for. They are good photos. Aren't they?
Very good. Orange day. Very nice.
I hope you like it.
Oh, it's not going to be it. You are close to the answer.
I hope you like. I hope you like them.
Them, yes, because it's plural. Very good.
I hope you like them. I really love my camera.
New camera.
I really love my new camera. I am going to visit my sister in New York.
Super.
Next week. I will take a lot of photos there too.
Super.
I haven't seen my sister for a long years.
No, it's not long years.
Or long ago.
No, long ago, no. I haven't seen a
long time.
Long time or long while. Long time or long while. You're gonna have both answers. You mark down both answers. Long time, long while. Thank you for the 2 nights I stayed in your lovely home. It was good to see that you struggled a bit. Here are the photographs of your children. They are good for us, aren't they? Very good. I hope you like them. Second choice. You got it in the second chance. I am going to visit my sister. Good job. I will take a lot of photos. I will sing for a long time. Second chance. So you are running about like 7 out of 10 right now. Okay, we'll do the next one.
Okay, sir. I will try to practice.
Sure. There you go.